Here is a short screencast on how to access the Minecraft Education Edition tutorial. So once you've opened up Minecraft, tap on Play, tap on View Library, tap on How to Play, tap on Start Here, tap on Education Edition Tutorial, and tap on Create World. In just a moment, it will create the world, and you can now begin to navigate this tutorial, continuing on with following the keys on the left-hand side, where you see W is for forward, S is for back, space is for jump, and so on. And you continue to read along and follow all the instructions, like click on me or the instructions on the sign. Thank you, and please reach out if we could be of any further assistance, and happy creating and learning.